Today we will take a brief overview of what is requirement engineering, different phases of requirement engineering, and the functional and non-functional requirements. Designing of computer software is very challenging and creative. Developer has to know about the requirements of users. Collection of requirements is very challenging. In order to make the process of requirement collection and identification and freezing of requirement, it is necessary to follow the systematic process where the requirement engineering comes into the picture. Requirement engineering process consists of 7 different phases. The first phase is the inception phase. Uh, Inception phase consists of identification of business needs and the new market needs. Understand the problem, find out the people who need solution and the nature of the solution. The second phase is the elicitation phase. In this phase, by asking questions to customer, scope of the project can be identified. For example, developer can ask questions like who will use this software, which different functions you want, and so on. The third phase is the elaboration phase. In this phase, information obtained from the previous phases is elaborated. Different diagrams are used for elaboration. The fourth phase is the negotiation phase. In negotiation phase, conflicting requirements are discussed once again. The customer's priorities are discussed, cost and risk factors are discussed. The fifth phase is the specification phase. The specifications of the software are generated in the form of written document. The sixth phase is the validation phase. Inconsistencies in the specification of the software are detected and removed. The seventh phase is the management phase. Requirement management is the set of activities that help the project team to identify and control and track requirements. The output of requirement engineering process is the identification of requirements. There are two types of requirements: functional requirements, non-functional requirements. Functional requirements tell the behavior of the system for particular input, where non-functional requirements tell about the performance of the system, cost of the system, and so on. For example, for the software of library management system, functional requirements can be librarian can update database for books by adding new books. Librarian can issue books to members. Members can view list of books. Members can view list of books issued to him. Non-functional requirements can be listed as fast and accurate system, 24/7 availability of the system, user-friendly interface. Once the requirements are clear, the developer can be able to develop the system efficiently. This is about the brief overview of the requirement engineering. Thank you.